Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is InvestorPlace Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about a semiconductor stock, name Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD. And this stock has been absolutely on fire in 2020, right? At one point, it was up 100% year to date. But it's come under a lot of pain recently. It's off about 18% amid a broader sell-off in the entire technology sector. My 2 cents, don't stress the sell-off. It was bound to happen. Instead, embrace the weakness, buy the dip, and hold this one for the long haul because it, my friends, is only going higher. Central to the bull thesis on AMD is the fact that the semiconductor market is going to boom, and I mean absolutely boom, over the next 5+ years. The party's really gonna get started this winter with the launch of the 5G iPhone and the launch of a new generation of gaming consoles for the first time in 7 years. I'm talking about the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. Then in 2021, we're gonna get the Switch 2, the next generation of the ultra popular Switch console. You're gonna get a whole new class and generation of 5G powered smart devices, everything from smart watches to smart glasses, to smart fridges, to smart socks, to smart whoever, everything, right? You're also gonna get massive demand from cloud computing as every enterprise in the world migrates into this new hybrid work environment. You're gonna get advancements in self-driving because 5G is gonna unlock huge advancements in edge computing. You're going to get AR and VR technology starting to emerge. All of these tailwinds are going to converge over the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years to spark a growth renaissance in the already hot semiconductor market. In the booming semiconductor market, AMD is probably your best bet because the company is leveraging superior technology to drive rapid and sustained market share expansion. Okay, in the CPU game, AMD basically only has one competitor, Intel, and they are years ahead of Intel in terms of technology, right? AMD has been producing 7nm chips for 2+ years. Intel's not gonna get there for another 2 years. So they're 4 years ahead of Intel on that front. They're gonna continue to win CPU market share for the foreseeable future. Also on the GPU side, the company is making very powerful and complex GPUs that are working their way into every major data center operator in the world. That's competing with NVIDIA. So I mean, AMD is rapidly gaining market share at a time when the semiconductor market is booming. What does that equal? Sustained and huge revenue growth for advanced micro devices for the next 2, 3, 4, 5+ years. Now, the one knock against AMD stock time and time again has been valuation. And yes, up at $100, AMD stock was overvalued. But my numbers say that AMD has enough earnings power over the next decade to sustain and support prices on AMD stock between $70 and $90 today. So we overshot that range, have come back down, and are now settled right in the middle. I think that means it's time to buy the dip. Scoop it up on this discount, let this turbulence pass, and ride secular tailwinds to significant long-term gains in this winter. Well, that's all we have for this edition of InvestorPlace Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, subscribe, hit that notification bell, or if you like to read, come visit us over to InvestorPlace.com where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.